Hi, I'm Miriam. I'm a registered dietitian, and today we're gonna make a low FODMAP veggie bowl. FODMAP is an acronym for a specific diet that can help people with digestive issues. FODMAP stands for fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. Basically, FODMAPs are specific carbohydrates found in certain foods. Our bodies can't digest them, so the bacteria in our guts do. This can cause gas and bloating. FODMAPs are found in a wide variety of plant-based foods. They can be found in veggies like cauliflower, onion, and garlic, dairy products, some fruits like apples, peaches, and mangoes, and most legumes. A low FODMAP diet is best led by a dietitian. It's not a diet meant to be followed long-term because many FODMAP foods are actually very healthy for you. The diet starts with an elimination phase to get your digestive issues under control. Then, foods are reintroduced one at a time. This helps us learn specific foods that may impact your unique digestive system. Today, I've made a low FODMAP veggie bowl recipe so you can get all your veggies in while keeping your gut happy. Preheat the oven to 410 and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. On one baking sheet, toss the eggplant with salt, pepper, and avocado oil and spread them out. Then, roast the eggplant for 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy, mixing halfway through. Next, toss the chickpeas with avocado oil, salt, pepper, parsley, and rosemary. Spread them out on the second baking sheet and roast for 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. While the eggplant and chickpeas are cooking, prepare your dressing. Stir tahini and lemon juice together. This mixture will thicken, so add 2 teaspoons of water. Slowly add more water until you get a good consistency. Season with salt, pepper, and parsley. Now it's time to assemble everything. Plate some greens, tomato slices, roasted eggplant, radish slices, and a half a cup of roasted chickpeas. Then add fresh herbs. I'm using parsley and basil. Lastly, drizzle on the tahini dressing. Enjoy your veggie bowl, and thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen. See you next time.